Hello guys and welcome back to Above the Average. I am your host Chaitanya Nawade. On the podcast today as our guest we have our dear friend, my partner in crime, the right winger to my left winger on the pitch, one of my best buddies, Nikhil Patil. Nikhil is currently a BCom graduate and he is pursuing CA as well.
Yes, my friend.
He has just passed the second level of CA. Yeah. So, Nikhil, I have known you for quite a long time.
9 years.
9 years, yeah. So, I know that you are into art and we play football together. So, why did you decide to torture yourself by taking CA after 12th standard?
So basically, my dad wanted me to join the Navy because he was from the Navy. He's an ex-serviceman. He retired after I was born. He always wanted me to go there, and so did my mom. But I did not want to choose that life because they spend most of their life out on the ship, and I wanted to enjoy my life, basically.
Yeah.
So I chose commerce basically so that I don't go to science, because if I choose science, then I am left with an option to join the Navy later on. But if I choose commerce, then I can't join the defense force.
Okay.
Ever.
Smart move.
Yeah, smart moves. So that's why I chose commerce, and in order to convince my parents, I chose the highest I could find in commerce.
Okay.
And I knew I could do it if I wanted to.
That's right.
So I chose commerce. Because I thought, how hard can it be? And I was wrong.
You played yourself.
We'll get back to the details of CA and everything, but as I said that you are an artist, and for the audience, Nikhil is the one who drew the cover art of Above the Average. If you have not seen that, go listen to the first 3 episodes. But even in school, so we were in the same school, we were in the same class. I know that you have always been into art and you have always wanted to do something towards drawing, sketching and stuff. You have always been... Medham is ka favorite.
Yeah. Medham calls me my son. Still does.
Oh wow. तो हाँ, कितना बायस था वो. हम कुछ भी ड्रॉ करें मैम नहीं, निखिल ड्रॉ करे हाँ. बट मतलब ये सब होने के बाद भी you took CA. Still, first of all, do you still do art with CA?
Of course, I still
You do.
practice it at home for myself.
So how do you still manage to do that while doing this torture of a course?
I have to find time, but whenever I go to college, I don't attend my lectures. I just go to work for the fest.
Okay.
And I participate in anything that I can related to art.
Okay.
That's the only reason why I go to college.
तेरी
And
मम्मी
the
सुनती
exams
नहीं ना पॉडकास्ट.
My mom knows this. My mom supports this.
Okay.
Chill mom.
But chill mom से मेरे को याद है, तेरे parents भी are in a way very strict.
Very strict. When it comes to studies and chilling outside, they're very strict.
So, with having strict parents, having a course that is taking almost all of your time, how do you still do art? मतलब हाँ कॉलेज का तूने बोला कि तू कॉलेज में करता है, but you still want to do it like in your life. मतलब सिर्फ कॉलेज के लिए नहीं करना है, तुझे वो आर्ट लेके जाना है आगे. तो how do you still do that?
I don't do that.
Okay.
That's the clearest answer that I can give, that I don't do that. But obviously there's always hope, because one should not lose it. But there were times that I lost the hope. And I still feel like there's a very, very low chance that I will do anything that is memorable in my life related to art.
Okay.
But yeah, of course, talking about my parents and arts and CA, they obviously want me to focus on CA, focus my whole soul on CA rather than giving art any time. Obviously they want that, but they let me do it because they know that it's my hobby and it is important, and they hear everybody appreciate me about it. So they do try to support me, but in their own subconscious too, they want me to focus it all on CA, and it is very visible to me. So I can say over the whole period, over the whole academic journey after 10th, I have always found myself trying to avoid doing art myself and focusing on the studies, being practical and everything.
CA takes almost all of your efforts. मतलब
Yeah.
पूरा day, 24/7. It takes all of your
Yeah,
focus.
actually, I know this sounds nerdy and I know it sounds very hard to believe, but I have studied more than 10 to 11 hours every day for at least 3 months
Wow.
before my exams. Every day, including Sundays.
Oh, wow.
That's
समझता
the
है तू ऐसा गायब ही हो जाता है एग्जाम.
Exactly. Exams pass है 1-2 महीने में.
तेरा एग्जिस्टेंस खत्म हो गया.
सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत कम, एंड नीचे तो आते नहीं था.
How did you manage yourself to study 10 to 12 hours a day?
It is your interest, right?
I made it my interest more rather than it being my interest. I made it my interest because until 10th we have zero knowledge about what CA is, and anything that is academically related to the course we have zero knowledge about it. It's mainly accounts. 10th तक accounts था नहीं. Then there's law भी था नहीं.
Exactly.
Audit भी था नहीं. Audit क्या होता है वो भी पता नहीं.
अभी भी नहीं मालूम मुझे.
तो एग्जैक्टली लाइक सीए ऐसा एलियन कोर्स है. अगर तू 10th के बंदे को बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा कोर्स है, ये सब रहता है, इट्स ऑल एलियन टू देम. इट्स टोटली ग्रीक. तो rather than it being into my interest already, I made it my interest. क्योंकि मेरे को पता था that if I want to convince my parents about being in commerce, I have to develop an interest in this and I have to do it. I have to prove कि मैं कर सकता है पहले तो. And then I have to do it too, so that they're happy too with this.
So did you have that fear in your mind कि अगर मैं फेल हो जाता तो मॉम डैड को मैं क्या बोल सकता था?
Starting में बिल्कुल नहीं था. मैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है बहुत लाइफ में. तो जब तक लेवल 2 चालू नहीं हुआ था ना, तब तक ये फियर बिल्कुल नहीं था. इनफैक्ट लेवल 2 स्टार्ट होने के बाद भी बिल्कुल नहीं था. बट देन जब एग्जाम पास में आया और मैंने कंपेयर किया अपने आप को बाकी लोगों के साथ जो मेरे बाजू में बैठते थे, वो लोग क्या जवाब देते हैं क्लासेस में और मेरे को जवाब आते ही नहीं थे. मेरे को क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आता था. तो आई वाज लाइक अब तो क्या. तो ऑब्वियसली ऐसा भी हुआ था कि मैं सिर्फ एक ही ग्रुप देता हूँ दोनों में से, बट देन मैं बोल नहीं पाया. तो वाज लाइक नहीं कर लूंगा, कितना मुश्किल है. तो ऑब्वियसली फिर तब से वो फियर आया. सेकंड लेवल में ही फियर आया एग्जाम पास आने के बाद से. एंड देन जब अटेम्प्ट्स लगे एक्चुअल में, तो इट वाज वेरी वेरी हार्ड ऑन मी एंड माय फैमिली. Very hard for everyone because they always expected me to be the scholar बचपन से, because I was good at math, I was good at interaction मेरे family में compared to my brothers, and they expected more from me than my brothers. And जब 10th हुआ तो I scored 75. Obviously less than all my brothers. They were disappointed. They thought कि चल unlucky रहेगा 10th है. 12th में it happened again. I scored 82 and all my brothers scored above 90. तो they were all disappointed. Then I chose CA. तो they were already degrading me कि नहीं होएगा, मत कर. तेरा 10th 12th में कम मार्क्स है, वैसे नहीं हो पाएगा, कुछ इजी देख लिया.
इतना सब कुछ डिग्रेडेशन के बाद भी तू प्रूव कर दिया ना कि
yeah, that's all because of my father. Because he always believed and he was like तू कर सकता है, तू कर क्यों नहीं, कर ले. He always believed कि तू कर सकता है, तेरे में पोटेंशियल है, पर तू कर नहीं रहा है. So he always blamed it on me. मेरे को ऐसा victim feel होता था obviously. But now that I look back, I feel like he was the biggest support. It's like tough love वाला thing हो गया then. But then it worked.
तो जो तूने इंटरेस्ट डेवलप किया वैसे धीरे धीरे वो क्या हल्का कि तूने
I started doing accounts and I was good at it. पहले तो I did abacus before 5th. मतलब हम सब मिलने के पहले मेरा abacus का कोर्स कंप्लीट हो चुका था. That is why I was good at math बचपन से. मतलब मेरा मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं था, मेरा कैलकुलेशंस अच्छा था. मैं ओरल कैलकुलेशंस कर लेता था, फास्ट कर लेता. तो अकाउंट्स में सिर्फ वही है. अकाउंट्स में तुम लोग को नंबर्स ऐड करना, मिस्टेक नहीं करना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन वगैरह फास्ट होना चाहिए, और वो सब मेरा ओरली फास्ट है. तो देन अकाउंट्स केम इजी टू मी. तो इसलिए डेवलप हो गया इंटरेस्ट.
So we all know CA is tough. मतलब वो वर्ल्ड वाइड सबको मालूम है ना. तो तुझे मालूम था it is going to be tough, but was your expectation different than the reality?
It was very different than the reality.
Okay.
Because obviously everybody said it was tough, but everybody said the same thing about 10th and 12th. तो मैंने वही कंपेयर किया. I was like 10th को हार्ड बोले 10th हो गया, 12th को हार्ड बोले 12th भी हो गया, CA को हार्ड बोले CA भी हो जाएगा. That was my expectation. But
सही में बहुत हार्ड है.
बहुत hard. I never googled this before joining the course, but the passing percentage is 6.7. कुछ तो percent. 6.7.
Percent.
तो 7%. Yeah, 7% people clear CA.
इसलिए लाइक इतना डिमांड है क्या? और
Yeah.
इतना फिर ये
डिमांड इसलिए है बिकॉज मैं तुम लोग का टैक्स कम करेगा.
हाँ वो भी एक सैलरी भी ज्यादा है ना.
Yeah.
हाँ मैंने सुना है.
सैलरी तो बहुत हो.
But then for someone who has taken commerce and so I've heard like my friends be like मुझे CA करना है पर मुझे समझना नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा टफ है. What will you tell them? मतलब first of all ये जो बोला तूने जो बोला टैक्स का, so you have a power kind of after you are a CA. So that is like a lucrative job in a way.
Yeah.
So for someone who is confused कि CA करना है कि नहीं because of the course being tough, what will you tell them? कि should they not? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it?
Look, it's always worth it, and the course itself is very cheap comparatively. Like तुम लोग का investment ज़्यादा है नहीं course में, other than time and efforts. So if you do actually want to put good efforts in it, then it will always be fruitful. So if you can put more efforts, like तुम लोग को लगता है ऐसा कि तुम लोग 10-12 घंटे पढ़ सकते हो continuously for at least 2 months एग्जाम के पहले का, तो then you should always give it a try, because it's always good to do CA. like scope है, अच्छा खासा scope है for CAs.
And it's like CA का कभी मार्केट में वैल्यू नहीं जाएगा.
बोल सकते हैं, theoretically तो नहीं जाना चाहिए.
नहीं, I am asking because जैसे तूने बोला सिर्फ 7% people pass.
हाँ.
So a lot of people get scared because of that.
Yes, they do get scared, and it is reality कि बहुत कम लोग पास होते हैं. That is solely because of the toughness of the exam. But then giving it a try doesn't hurt anyone. And बहुत clear हो जाता है level 1 में, तो 6 महीने जाएंगे level 1 में, अगर तुम लोग देखोगे तो. Level 1 में ही it's like filter हो जाते हैं बहुत सारे लोग.
अच्छा.
लेवल 1 तुम लोग क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही, तो लेवल 2 क्लियर करने का बहुत कम चांस है. और लेवल 1 के मार्क्स से भी बहुत लोग को ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो लोग लेवल 1 में पास हो जाते हैं, लेवल 2 देते नहीं, बिकॉज लेवल 1 में कम मार्क्स आए थे, तो लेवल 2 में कहाँ से पास होंगे. जिन लोगों को नॉलेज है वो लोग छोड़ देते हैं. तो लेवल 1 दे दो, उसमें अगर इफ यू स्कोर गुड तो यू शुड ऑलवेज कंटिन्यू.
वही बेसिकली अभी स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा ना, उनके इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा. Like अगर स्टूडेंट्स को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज्यादा रहेगा, they love accounting, they love taxation, then they will end up doing chartered accountant. नहीं तो वो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी भी बन सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ ऑप्शन है. like both the courses like CA and CS, it's actually same from my point of view. मैंने किया नहीं, मैं उतना मतलब knowledge नहीं.
It's actually different, but उसका you can say कि उसका standard same.
exactly standard same.
पढ़ाई अलग है.
So it's basically on the things which you love. अगर तुम लोग को अकाउंटिंग पसंद है तो obviously CA अच्छा लगेगा.
मेरे को ऐसा CA के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं, बट ये लेवल 1 लेवल 2 like कितने लेवल्स है?
There are
three
levels overall. Level 1 CPT रहता है, level 2 is intermediate, and level 3 is final. And exam is like तुम लोग 6 महीनों पढ़ाई करके level 1 दोगे, then if you pass that you give level 2 after 6 months again. And level 2 का एक भी ग्रुप पास कर देते हो तुम लोग, या दोनों ग्रुप पास करते हो, तो you have to do a 3-year articleship. It's like internship, it's called articleship. तुम लोग एक CA के अंदर काम करोगे, certified CA के अंदर काम करोगे, you go out in the field, you take your training, you take your experience for 3 years, and then you give the final CA का exam. Until you do that, तुम लोग नहीं दे सकते final CA.
तो तेरा सेकंड लेवल हो गया, अभी तू ये स्टार्ट कर.
सेकंड लेवल का इसका आधा हुआ है, इसका फर्स्ट
मेरा
ग्रुप
ग्रुप
है.
1 क्लियर हुआ है, मेरा 3 सब्जेक्ट बाकी है अभी.
2 ग्रुप
का जो नवंबर में दूंगा और वो क्लियर हो जाएगा, मुझे पता है 3 ही सब्जेक्ट है तो हो जाएगा.
बंदा कमाना शुरू कर रहा है. So now that you have cleared the second stage level in a way,
yeah.
What is one tip that you will give yourself before you went into CA? मतलब CA.
If I could go back in past and give myself a tip.
हाँ. मतलब ये जो कोर्स है.
There are so many tips.
जैसे तूने बोला कि बहुत टफ है, फिर तुझे टेंशन आया रहेगा कि 7% लोग कर रहे हैं, फिर तुझे दिखा रहेगा इतना सारा कोर्स है. So realize, मैंने जो बोला expectation reality different, that's a different story. But what is one thing that you will tell yourself कि ये गलती मत करना, नहीं तो ये चीज में संभल के चलना. ये जो
If I could go really back, like back to 10th standard, so I will tell myself to take arts.
Okay.
I will do that. But if you're talking कि CA चालू होने के बाद where I give myself a tip, तो I will give myself a tip to give just one group in the second attempt for my first attempt and to quit all the distractions. Because if I would have done that, तो मेरे attempts नहीं लगते थे.
अच्छा. So for someone who is trying or is on the verge of choosing CA, you would tell them कि पहली बात तो distraction निकाल दो. That is, I mean, to be honest, that is in every field.
It's very scary upfront कि यार सोशल मीडिया नहीं रखना है, सब पूरा इंस्टाग्राम हटा दो, फेसबुक हटा दो, व्हाट्सएप भी हटा दो for a 2 point. Sounds very scary, but एक तुम लोग ऐसा 2 वीक के लिए सह लोगे ना, तुम लोग 1 साल आराम से निकाल लोगे उसके लिए. It's just like that.
And you have to be mentally prepared for that ना, कि अभी लोग तो ऐसा बोलते रहेंगे कि अरे CA क्यों लिया है, CA बहुत हार्ड रहता है, तू और कुछ.
हाँ, I saw that starting में भी मेरे को सब लोग बोले almost कि CA बहुत हार्ड रहता है, ध्यान से पढ़ाई करना, ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्ट मत होना वगैरह वगैरह. बट rather than getting scared, मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों, but I rather felt superior. लोग ऐसा बड़ा चढ़ा के मतलब
Dominance
हो गया, like टॉप कोर्स कर रहा है निकी पाची.
But exactly, it's a mentality का thing जो तूने बोला. for someone who is
हाँ.
choosing, पहली बात तो एक खुद में कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि खुद मर लूंगा 2 साल पर कर लूंगा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
हाँ
वो कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है इन ऑल ऑफ सीए एंड इन एक्चुअली लाइफ ही पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस.
हाँ बट लाइफ इज आई थिंक
थिंक अबाउट
without confidence you can still do it, but
Yeah.
as far as I have learned from you, CA में अगर confidence के बिना जाते हो तुम in the exam क्या,
then you will not.
हाँ it is almost next to
I will
impossible.
say that you will not clear it unless you are 100% good nerd.
हाँ that is a different story.
Yeah.
If you are a nerd, then you are not even listening to this podcast.
Exactly.
But for someone who is like, I'll say average or just above the average, it is also about confidence, mentality,
Yeah.
and not being scared and stuff like that. But now coming back to something you said, अगर तू 10th में कोई टिप देता तो तू आर्ट्स में जाता.
Yes.
So your liking is still in arts even till date.
Of course it is.
हाँ तो like mentally how did you convince yourself कि नहीं यार आर्ट अभी थोड़ा pause करते हैं.
You know me. You know that I'm a very practical guy. When it comes to money, I am very serious about it. When it comes to life and career, I am very serious about it, even if I don't look like it. So people who are close to me know that I'm serious about my career. People who are not, they see me as a valla guy. Like, कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा.
Yeah.
ऐसा ही दिखता है मैं बाहर से. I know ऐसा दिखता है, but I am very serious about it. So I spend a lot of time before, actually during my level 2, thinking कि मेरे को arts ले लेना चाहिए था क्या, and whether I should continue arts or whether I should give all my focus to CA anymore after failing the first attempt at least. मैं बहुत सोचा, and I realized कि even if I did art, I would have gone to fine arts and everything, and there's a higher possibility that I would have not made it. Because comparing myself to the outside world in arts, I'm not that above the average. मैं इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है पेंटिंग में that I would definitely have made it out there. तो there is still a possibility कि मैं नहीं कर पाता बाहर जाके आर्ट्स में, नहीं फेमस हो पाता, would have not been able to make a life out of it. But
अच्छा
in
नहीं,
this I can.
अच्छा नहीं लेकिन अच्छा हो सकता था ना तू, if you
Yeah.
have tried.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, there is a possibility failure का भी और success का भी. तो I just left it to an option कि अभी जब CA कर रहा हूँ, I tell myself कि शायद नहीं भी कर पाता. तो it's better to focus on what I'm doing right now.
So मुझे CA parental pressure की वजह से क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
नहीं, parental pressure नहीं, parental pressure तब होता जब मैं science ले.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I killed parental pressure by creating an option C.
Okay. So CA was totally your choice.
Yes, it was 100% my choice.
Interrupting the episode for today's fun fact. Today's fun fact is about pants. Why were pants invented in the first place? We were happy wearing lungis and dhotis, right? Reportedly, pants are originated from Greece. Around the 6th century BC, they were invented for comfort while riding a horse. Throughout history, Indians have worn flowy clothes, and only around the British rule, Indians were introduced to the concept of pants. British idhar kaam aa gaye thode. Anyways, back to today's episode. So as you said कि art में तुझे लग रहा था कि तू you might or might not, वो वाला जो tension.
हाँ.
But Rishabh here, our friend here,
Yes, my friend.
his career is completely toward the art side.
Yeah, art and design side.
Yeah. So how do you have that confidence?
Our whole society is like arts में ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है. There's this whole mentality in our society कि arts में जा रहा है बंदा तो dumb रहेगा. आर्ट्स में क्या ही करियर बनाएगा.
दिल पे बात.
मैं है डम बट ठीक है.
Only smart people say that.
देख एक चीज बोलता है, मैं यहाँ ये सोसाइटी में नहीं रहने वाला मैं. I'll go somewhere where they respect art. And कॉन्फिडेंस का बात बोले तो मेरी फटती थी बीच पहले बहुत ज्यादा कि मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आई फेल्ट लाइक यू आर बेटर देन मी, और तू आर्ट कर भी नहीं रहा है. मैं तो आर्ट में जा रहा है, मैं हदता है तेरे से ज्यादा. बट देन लाइक स्लोली आई रियलाइज कि नहीं यार, ऐसा ब्रॉड माइंडेडनेस आ गई कि बहुत कुछ है, एक ही चीज नहीं है, और कर करके तो तुम इम्प्रूव भी होते.
Mostly it's all a skill. The more you do it, the better you get at it. The better you get at it, the more you like it.
I'm getting better, so I'm liking it more. तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया क्योंकि
हो जाएगा वो.
yes bro.
So before we end the podcast, I would like to get more into the detail of CA, so that जो बंदे CA करने वाले वो समझ पाए क्या करें. तो Ashlesh had a question about it. Ashlesh, please.
Yes, Nikhil. So after 12, you actually have 3 courses, right? One is company secretary. The second one is chartered accountant, which you're doing, and the third is certified management accountant. So ये 3 courses है. So what made you take CA only? तूने CAs के बारे में पढ़ा था या आपने CMA के बारे में पढ़ा था कुछ?
I never read anything about CMA. I now know that it's about cost management. It's a good course. CMA is a very good course. CS is also a very good course. CS is more about law, and I'm not good at theory. So CS was never an option for me.
Okay.
And I never searched about CMA, so I took CA. And if I think about it, I would have still chosen CA if I knew everything about all 3 courses.
Okay.
Anyway, so because CMA is more about cost accounting, and I feel like there's a less scope for me. Because I don't know, you cannot actually put out a business of your own doing CMA. Because it's more of a company job. And after doing CA, you can work 9 to 5 in a company, or you can put your own business out there.
Okay.
And do tax. So you have an option after doing CA whether to work for a company or put out your own business. That's why I chose.
So now you're currently doing, I think, articleship, right?
I will start my articleship.
You will start your articleship, and you still have this CA final exam
Yes.
remaining, which is, I think, of 8 papers.
Yeah.
So what are your plans to face that exam?
Final
with articleship.
Yeah, with articleship.
Along with there's this classes obviously. I will have weekend classes.
Okay, coaching classes.
Coaching classes, yeah. Weekend classes रहता है along with articleship. तो if like Saturday Sunday छुट्टी रहेगा, वो दिन classes रहेंगे. And obviously it's like इतना लंबा पढ़ूंगा मैं 2 साल के लिए पढ़ूंगा तो पहले साल में जो पढ़ा second year याद नहीं आना. So I'm hoping that I'll start some crash courses, and if I'm not that done with my studies, so I'll just give one group at a time.
Okay.
That's the basic
इसमें भी
strategy.
शायद 2 groups रहते हैं ना
Yeah.
finance में.
2 groups.
So अभी like is coaching classes required for
Yes.
articleship?
Yes, good coaching classes play a very, very good role. And personally, I feel like rather than just good coaching classes, तुम लोग को subject का teacher भी देख लेना चाहिए. Like तुम लोग कौन से ब्रांच में जा रहे हो, कौन से ब्रांच में कौन सा टीचर कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहा है, because that is very important. So I was in classes and I figured that there were some subjects जिनके टीचर्स अच्छे नहीं थे, and I am very bad at those subjects. तो अच्छे नहीं थे in my perspective, क्योंकि उन लोग का जो टीचिंग स्टाइल था और मेरा जो लर्निंग स्टाइल था बहुत अलग था. They would give good notes rather than teaching the whole theory and telling us how the whole mechanism works from 0 to 10. They would give us the main points and they would tell us to learn the main points. तुम लोग ये एग्जाम में लिखोगे तो आ जाएगा, मेरे को ये याद नहीं रहता. I have to go from 0 to 10, मेरे को पूरा steps चाहिए. तो इन theories मेरे को hard पड़ता था. तो जो सब्जेक्ट्स में टीचर्स अच्छे नहीं पढ़ाते, आई वॉज वेरी बैड इन दोस. एंड इन दी एंड मेरे को क्रैश कोर्सेस लगाने पड़े, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लगाने पड़े इन ऑर्डर टू पास दिस ग्रुप 1 का कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स. सो या दैट्स द प्लान. आई विल join some crash courses towards when the exams are close.
So ये अपना तेरा 3 years training के बाद you will be completely a chartered accountant. You'll start
3 years training के बाद नहीं, final exam देने के बाद.
the final exam. That will be, I think, 1.5 years later after from where you begin your training.
Almost 3 years ही पकड़ ले, because 2.5 years के बाद मैं third exam दे सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
And I don't think मैं first attempt में pass हो गया.
उधर भी बहुत हार्ड है.
काफी हार्ड है, उसमें केस लॉस है.
And actually people ये सुन के भी back off कर रहे थे कि okay ये अपना second level के बाद 3 years training भी रहता है. So were you mentally prepare about that कि तुझे कैसा था?
हाँ, because I'll be earning ना, तो doesn't matter. Because either way it's like I'm getting a job, part time job भी बोल सकते हैं, या फिर
Internship
internship भी बोल सकते हैं. Yeah,
Okay.
it is like an internship. You just call it articleship. ज़्यादा कोई difference नहीं है.
Okay. So that was a very informative kind of a discussion on CA. Should someone take CA, and your journey doing CA and till the second level of CA. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for coming on the podcast.
Thank you.
And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's episode. And for someone who is trying to take CA, I hope it helped you in any way possible. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.